When I was looking at the value of using a broker and I guess their fee, one of the key things for me to look at was how much value do I also put on my own time with it all, and also will I be able to get a premium or a higher price by using a broker, and that will be in two areas such as more competition, looking at my business, and also the way it's packaged and put together through the information memorandum. So when I looked at that, there was no issue there. There was no problem there. That the time that I saved and the more people that I had interested in my business, and as I said before, the way it was packaged together certainly exceeded the broker fee, and that just made sense for me to get it done professionally. And as I said, the actual price part of it, it pays for itself several times over. And it opens it up, as I said, to the whole Australian market. They encourage me to get as much information together, I guess statistical information about the business as on clients and what they've got and what they haven't got, and put together an information memorandum. I think overall that was one of the best things that they brought to the table, and it was very thorough, and it not only gave me a really clear picture as to my business, but also gave, I guess, potential buyers a really good picture as to what they were looking at buying. It covered all sorts of areas from all different angles, and it gave them enough information to say, yep, I want to proceed further, or not, obviously, whatever the case may be. So I went ahead with that, and for me it was not just about price. Price was a big issue, don't get me wrong. It was also the terms, because I didn't particularly want to wait around for years on end to get the money from the sale of the business. I wanted the terms to be able to sort of work through that as well. I think what the other, I suppose, point on all that was that they kept a very open communication between myself and the buyer, so we were able to sort out a lot of issues, iron out any sort of concerns, and we're both on the same page and work well together. So I think that also assisted in the whole process and made it pain-free, I guess. I think one of the important things is to really know your business and what it is currently at the moment. Take the guesswork out of it. Work on facts and figures. You have to get a little bit analytical, and if it's not yourself, get someone else to do it for you, and really get it down to a spreadsheet, an Excel spreadsheet, or whatever the case might be, where you have every client, what policies they do and don't have, what premiums they are, and that sort of stuff. I think that you really need to have that information and have it all there first, and that allows the process to go very smoothly, and for the information memorandum to be put together properly. So otherwise it goes back and forth and you wasted a lot of time. You lose credibility in the industry if you haven't got all your facts and figures together as well. So I think that's the first key thing, is the getting your information very spot on. I think as far as the cost goes, for me, I found that I was able to expose my business Australia-wide, not just keep it locally and just through my contacts in the industry. So I was able to open my business up to Australia-wide, get more buyers interested in the business, and therefore create a bit of competition.